This is our new HiVac unit. This is being introduced now along with the Ergo Boom. This unit is designed to provide, it's going to come in two models. One model is for a single gun and one model is for a dual gun. The single gun will provide about 110 to 115 CFM on the gun. It's a really high performance vacuum system where most other vacuum systems provide about 50 or 60 inches of negative pressure vacuum. This one's providing about 90. And then we have a two gun model, which we just basically increase the horsepower in the unit, and it'll actually support two guns. This is the two gun system. It'll support two guns at the same general conditions, 90 inches of vacuum, 110 to 115 CFM at the gun. And by the way, that CFM at the gun, that matters because that's what captures the fume. If you can't get up to over 100 or 110 CFM, you're not going to be able to capture the weld fumes on a high amperage welding application. 200, 250 amps and below, most guns do okay. This gun really does an exceptional job, even upwards of 300, 350 amp applications. So again, it's just a basic system. It's got a 160 square foot filter built into the unit. It has manual cleaning so that you can use the filter for a long time. A dust tray located at the bottom, and it has a special cleaning system in there which has a rubber tube that basically wraps on the side of the filter. So you have air pressure cleaning the filter off, and you also have vibration pressure so that the dust comes off of it and falls down in the dust tray. So it's a 460 volt model, and here's the other beauty of this unit. A lot of these types of systems will have brush motors, and what I mean by that is they have brushes inside the motors. Well, those brushes wear out over time. In fact, they may only last 800 to 1,000 hours, and then you have to replace the brushes. With this unit, these are brushless motors. So the life of these things is significantly longer than what you're going to find with a regular brush motor type design. And so in an industrial setting where you're running a unit all day long, 5 days a week, 3 shifts a day, this is the kind of unit you want to go with. You don't want to mess around with brush motors because they're going to fail on you within 4, 5, 6 months, and you'll have the maintenance guys in. And if you got a lot of them, maintenance guys are going to they're going to revolt. So super system. Again, we're providing high vacuum. We're giving you 110, really even in some cases up to 120 CFM depending on the length of the gun. And we've had just great success with this unit in the field. It's being introduced as we speak. We're making our first major production run this month, and then from that point on we'll have sufficient inventory to support customer demand.